Ready to make your travels smoother in 2025? In today's video, we're showcasing the best Amazon travel finds that will make your trips more convenient, secure, and enjoyable. From portable coffee makers to hidden camera detectors, these gadgets are perfect for frequent travelers. Stick around to discover which travel essentials you need for your next adventure. Out and Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine. If you're a coffee lover on the go, the Out and Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine is a game changer. Whether you're camping, traveling in an RV, or working in the office, this self-heating coffee maker ensures you never have to go without your favorite espresso. With the convenience of USB-C charging, it's perfect for hiking, road trips, or even your daily commute. Plus, it works with both ground coffee and NS capsules, giving you flexibility wherever you are. Say goodbye to instant coffee, and hello to rich brewed espresso on the move. Why it's a winner. A compact portable espresso machine that brings your favorite coffee anywhere you go, with easy charging and quick brewing. EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter. No more searching for the right adapter in foreign countries. The EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter is an all-in-one solution for your travel needs. With dual AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports, and 3 USB-A ports, this adapter covers all your charging requirements, from your phone to your laptop. It works in over 150 countries, so whether you're in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, you'll be able to charge your devices with ease. Plus, with 35-watt PD fast charging, you'll power up your gadgets in no time. Why it's a winner. Versatile and fast charging, this adapter is a must-have for frequent travelers who need to stay connected globally. EPICKA Hidden Camera Detectors X10 Pro. Stay safe and secure while traveling with the EPICKA Hidden Camera Detectors X10 Pro. This anti-spy camera detector is perfect for finding hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and other surveillance devices in places like hotels, Airbnbs, or even rental cars. It has a flashlight feature and is incredibly accurate, helping you feel confident and protected during your travels. Whether you're on a business trip or vacation, this gadget ensures your privacy stays intact. Why it's a winner? Protect your privacy and security while traveling with this easy-to-use hidden device detector. Joy Room MagSafe Airplane Phone Holder. For a smooth flight experience, the Joy Room MagSafe Airplane Phone Holder is a must-have. This 360-degree rotating phone mount is designed to securely hold your phone during flights so you can enjoy hands-free entertainment. With its MagSafe compatibility, it's perfect for iPhones 13 to 16, ensuring a strong grip even during turbulence. It fits most airplane seats, making it the ideal travel companion for watching movies, reading, or keeping your phone handy for in-flight entertainment. Why it's a winner. Hands-free convenience for airplane travel, designed to securely hold your phone and keep it within easy reach. KeySmart Smart Card Wallet Tracker Card. Never lose track of your important belongings again with the KeySmart Smart Card Wallet Tracker. This slim GPS tracker is compatible with the Apple Find My app, making it easy to track your wallet, luggage, passport, or purse. It's rechargeable and features a keychain hole for easy attachment. Whether you're hopping on a plane or taking a road trip, the KeySmart Tracker ensures you never lose your essentials again. Why it's a winner. Keep track of your important items like luggage, wallet, and passport with this slim GPS tracker, perfect for travel peace of mind. Which of these Amazon travel finds would make your next trip easier? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel essentials and gadgets.